Essential tips to prepare your new home before moving in, a stress-free and easy guide. Moving into a new home is exciting. But before you unpack, there are a few things you should do to make your home move-in ready. Here are essential tips to prepare your new home before moving in. Tip 1. Deep clean your home before moving in. Tip number 1. Give your home a deep clean. Before bringing in furniture, clean every corner, including floors, windows, and cabinets. This ensures a fresh and comfortable start. Tip 2. Ensure utilities are set up before moving in. Tip number 2. Make sure all utilities are working. Test electricity, water, and internet before move-in day. Setting up these services in advance will save you from last-minute stress. Tip 3. Change locks and check home security. Tip number 3. For safety, change all exterior door locks. You never know who might have a key to the old locks. Also, check for working smoke detectors and security systems. Tip 4. Plan furniture placement in advance. Tip number 4. Decide where your furniture will go before moving in. Having a plan makes moving day smoother and avoids unnecessary rearranging later. Tip 5. Inspect and fix home issues before moving in. Tip number 5. Inspect your home for any repairs needed. Check for leaks, faulty wiring, or damage. Fixing these issues before unpacking saves time and effort later. Tip 6. Have essential supplies ready before move-in. Tip number 6. Keep essential items handy. Before unpacking, make sure you have toilet paper, cleaning supplies, snacks, and basic tools ready for a stress-free first night. Follow these tips for a smooth move-in experience. And that's it. Follow these essential tips to prepare your new home before moving in and enjoy a stress-free start. Like this video? Subscribe for more moving tips.